Hi, my name is Justin Sun. I'm a designer at Pacific Outdoor Living, and today we're going to talk about the Ahmanson project. So the Ahmanson project involved a lot of topography change that was existing on site. It was really fun as a designer working on that project because I was able to explore a magnitude of options to resolve some issues she's had. And when our scientists went to measure the property and take photos of the backyard, it was a typical backyard. It had a pergola, it had a deck, there was a lot of California native plants, and they were looking to build a pool. That was their #1 priority. So we designed based off of the pool and where they want to put it, and talked about how they wanted to use the pool and how many people they wanted to be there. And from there, after settling down on the pool and the elements of the pool, we worked on to everything else around it. The decking, the steps that we might need to get to, the elevation changes, the little border wall that's needed to hold the grade up. We talked a little bit about the outdoor space that they wanted to engage in. But throughout the entire process, the communication between the client was very open, and they were great in voicing out what they wanted to see, how they wanted to use the space, and really gave me the freedom of presenting ideas to them. The 3D really allowed our clients to see it in regards to the real world. The perspective is all there. They were able to see how the material was able to play with each other, also the color schemes, the height of the walls, the height of the steps, and it really gave them a better idea of what they were going to be getting and how it was going to look once the project was completed. When we transitioned to construction, it was fantastic in regards to our job coordinators, keeping our clients in the loop regarding when each individual team will be coming. And it worked like a symphony, and it was great. The orchestra was very well organized, and it went very smoothly. And our team is fantastic in what they do, and the amount of time and care they spent into building the project is phenomenal.